Guys, if you think that Apple makes some of the best smartphone design around the world, then this one's for you. Guys, Apple has been very brave in the past regarding the color of its iPhones. It is one of the very few Western phone manufacturers who is not afraid to release flagship level phones in bold, striking colors. Regardless if you are planning to hold an iPhone 15 when it comes out or to go all out for an iPhone 15 Pro Max, you will have to carefully consider your color options. So today we are going to share beautiful colors of the iPhone 15 series. Guys, according to reports, iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus colors will be Midnight, Starlight, Product Red, Pink and Blue. Midnight, Starlight and Product Red are familiar for Apple fans, so blue and pink are the two colors that are likely to get the most attention this year. These are not the official names for these variants as they are based on the rumor, but they do sound like great fresh picks for the iPhone 15 colors so long as the rumors turn out to be true. Guys, iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max will be in space gray, silver, gold and deep red colors. Guys, as a tradition, Apple has supplied fans with space gray, silver and gold variant for their bigger and more powerful models. Guys, according to leaks in the last week, red color version won't be thing after all, but I think it will look cool. Guys, will any of these become factual? Maybe, but until Apple pulls the curtains and show us its new series of iPhone for real, until that nothing is sure. Guys, do you like these colors? Let me know in the comment box below, and if you got some knowledge from this video then please press the like and subscribe button.